Let's make my firewood banga rice together. Set your clean pot on the fire, pour in your banga extract. Wow, look at that steam. It's giving native food vibes, guys. Now throw in your onion, cow skin, and tomatoes. Throw in your scotch bonnet pepper, your shredded stockfish, and dried fish for that native taste. Throw in also some ground crayfish at this point for some perfect aroma and taste. Now throw in your seasoning powder, some salt to taste. And now we can introduce our properly washed rice. Now you can go ahead and throw in your rice. After throwing it in, then you can begin turning the rice. Stir it as much as possible to combine properly. Now look at this goodness. Take a good look at this. If you're a lover of eggs, please throw in some eggs at this point and let it cook with the rest. Let's cover the pot and let it cook. Oh my god, guys, the aroma from here is out of this world. This is giving complete village firewood smoky rice. Look at that steam, guys. Look at the color of our rice. So right now we'll just proceed to throwing in our chopped scent leaves, and that's it, guys. At this point, our food is screaming, I want to be served. I want to be served. Now we're just going to stir a little bit and then we'll bring it down from heat. I hope you'll be trying this recipe, guys. So just let me know in the comment section below if it looks like something you want to try. Please come and enjoy with me. Bye. Until I see you again.